Contacts Overview. In this video, we will give you an overview of the contacts section of your system. Here on the main page, you have a list of all of your contacts with basic information such as name, phone number, email, created date, last activity, tags, and contact origin. By dropping down the columns menu to choose from different options, you can select what you would like to display or not display. You can also use the search feature in the top right to do a quick search by name, email, business name, tag, or phone number. Check out our tutorials on Smartlist to learn more in depth about how to save and apply filters to save specific lists of filtered contact information. Then, using these actions at the top here, these are bulk action icons. There's several options for adding or removing a tag, adding contacts to a workflow, and more. We do have a specific tutorial for each bulk action that you can do. The top left icon to add a contact is going to be the most convenient one here for now. You'll want to click the plus icon to manually add an individual contact. Or you can also use the import icon if you'd like to add a list of contacts and import multiple contacts at one time.